What's up, gorgeous people out there? If you guys want to see how I achieved this 3-strand perm rod set, just keep watching, and I hope you guys enjoy. So what we're going to need is water, a moisturizer of choice, oil, a dimming brush to detangle, perm rods, and then I didn't add in, but you're going to also need bobby pins and gel. So what I'm doing here is basically part of the LOC method, which I'm just doing the oil and the moisturizer part and just making sure I get a nice amount of moisture back into my hair, just because I haven't moisturized it in a while. So I just do this just to refresh it and make sure not to overdo it, just because I don't want my curls to be weighed down. So this is what I do in the beginning. Now I'm taking a section out of one of the 4 sections that I've created, and I'm going to start the process for the 3-strand twist. Once you finish clipping it up, you're just going to apply some gel from the ends and then work it all the way up to the root, and make sure your hair, every single piece of the hair just gets a little bit of that gel, just so you can have a really good hold when you start the process for your 3-strand twist. And make sure you detangle really well just to get those knots and kinks out. And then you're gonna start the braid. So now that we're finished with the braid, I'm gonna take some more gel and apply it to the ends of the hair from where I'm gonna start the perm rod set. And I just apply it on there, just get a good amount, just so you can get that really good definition on the curl and a good hold as well. And just smooth it in and make sure you detangle again. Detangling is key for this hairstyle. So I started off at the end and unwind it down, wind it down, and just make sure you get a really good hold on that perm rod, just so you can secure it really good. And I also alternate, that's just a good tip, just alternate sizes on perm rods just to get a good definition, curl definition, and volume on your hair. So here's a section where I'm slowing it down for you. You're going to take 3 sections of your hair, and you're just going to basically do a 3-strand braid or a plait about 3 or 4 times down, just to give you a secure base before you start the twisting process for the 3-strand twist. And I'm going to do this just to make sure I won't have any puffy roots or anything like that, because you won't have a good result if you have puffy roots, in my opinion. So I just do that 3 or 4 times just to make sure everything is secure and I can start the twisting process. So just do that till you feel secure enough to start your 3-strand twist. And basically this whole routine for a 3-strand twist is basically all in the wrist, and you'll see when I pause it in the next clip. So in this clip here, the left hand braid, you're going to take that over to the other side and twist the wrist. Take it over to the other side and twist the wrist. See? Lap over, twist. Lap it over and twist. It's just like muscle memory at that point for me. It took me a couple tries, but you just literally twisting instead of braiding. Just overlap and twist. Take that hair and then speed it up a little bit and twist. And you'll get the hang of it once you get about 3 or 4 braids in. It's really easy after a while. And then you just take it over, keep going until you feel confident enough to put that perm rod set on, or the perm rod on. Yep. And keep going, winding it down and securing the perm rod. So now that we're all finished, I'm not going to leave my hair like this just because I hate puffy braids. So what I do is I twist the braids and then I bobby pin them to my hair, and then I wrap them up for the night. And that way you'll have a nice twist out rather than loose braids. So now it's the next morning and I wrapped it up and it kind of fell off the scarf, slid off my head. You know how that go. But whew, your neck hurts, so you got to get a little neck roll from the perm rod. So now I'm taking it down. So you take it down the opposite way you rolled it up, and then I twist my fingers so I can get the curl back the opposite way again. And that's how the curl's supposed to look. Yay! So speeding it up, and I'll be back once I take everything down. So what I'm doing now is unraveling the twist the opposite way I twisted it. And so in each section, I'm gonna take it and separate it some more just because I want bigger hair. And while doing the separation, I just take my finger again and ravel the curl around my finger just so I can get the definition back, because you don't want fuzzy hair. And you'll see how I do it in the next few clips, and it's really easy, self-explanatory, so just keep watching. So now we're going to take that trusty handy dandy pick and start picking that hair just so you can have the big curls and the big fro, just how I like it. So I just take the top and the bangs just to make sure I get that part out, because you know you don't want the middle part showing through the back or through the front, because that looks foolish, first of all. And then you're just going to pick it just to get it to where you want it to be desired and how big you want it depending. So I take a section from the bottom and I clip it away, and I pick the roots just so you can get a little bit more elongated look at the bottom. Then I just pick away some more just to get a little bit more volume at the top, because I don't like that mushroom look. So I just try my best on the first day at least. Then since one side of my hair was longer than the other one, I take a bobby pin and do like a faux bang, because I don't want to cut my hair anymore, so I do faux bangs with it. And repeat that all over the hair, and that's how the fro should look on the first day. And it's going to get bigger and bigger by the days, depending on how long you want to wear your hairstyle. And this is how it should look. I love the definition, curl definition. It's so pretty. And I decided not to wear it in a fro that day. I don't remember why, but I'm going to put it up in a puff, and you'll see how I put it up when I put it in a puff. I like it either in a fro or the puff. Either way, it's really cute. But this is how your hair should look when you have a fro, and I love it. And I'm wearing a fro right now, and it's so cute. But yeah, in the next clip, you'll see how I wear a puff. Yeah guys, so this is the end result of my 3-strand twist out with the perm rod set, and I love the results either in a fro or a puff. And I hope you guys enjoyed this hairstyle, and I hope you guys also enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I love you all. Thank you. Bye.